Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get Spotify DJ AI mode. So in order to do this, I will teach you on every steps necessary in order to do and solve this problem. So just listen to me because I will show you every step necessary in order to achieve this Spotify DJ. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Spotify and make sure that you have already logged in on your account. So the first thing that you need to check is if you're on a premium plan. So to do that, you can just click on this settings right here and you will see your profile right here. You can also see here your plan. So click on the plan right here. If you don't have a premium plan, then that just means that you will see a free right here instead of premium plan. But if you have premium plan, then you can have all of this benefits right here and also the Spotify DJ. So right now it is only available on premium users, and let's just wait a bit for Spotify in order to release it on all of their users, including the free users. So after that, if you have the premium plan and you still don't have it, what you can do is to make sure that you're living on the region that this is available into. So this Spotify DJ is not really available worldwide because it is only available on selected areas. Right now, it is only available on the US or United States. So if you're not on United States, then Spotify DJ won't be able to show up on your Spotify app. So the next thing that you can do is to head over to your Play Store or App Store, then search for Spotify, and if you can see an update right here, then just click on that and update the Spotify and it should be able to resolve your problem. So that's the whole process. Hopefully this video helped you to get Spotify DJ. If you have questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!